The duplication of hair growth has been discovered. A microstrand has now been created. Single human hairs are fed onto these microstrands and then blended in between your hair, duplicating real hair growth. An extremely different approach has been created to increase hair volume that has never been thought of, nevertheless offered. A micro-diameter hair strand has been invented, of which is finer than one human hair. Even more amazing, this micro-diameter strand is translucent and therefore disappears upon contact of any human scalp. Such an invention, such a creation leaves your entire scalp 100% fully accessible with virtually no ability to see or feel anything. Multiple microstrands are networked together, forming different millimeter openings according to each individual's hair situation and each particular area of the individual's scalp, all depending on the degree of thinness and volume desired. Using this highly advanced microscopic tip apparatus, one human hair at a time is then fed individually onto these microstrands, painstakingly one fine human hair at a time. This step actually duplicates real hair growth. Now the finished microstrands are blended in between your existing hairs, all while utilizing 100% of your hairs, and all while leaving 100% of your own hairs alone. Your own hairs can breathe and grow freely. The InvisaBlend concept is in fact the first and only simple and healthy hair enhancement approach. There you have it, the most advanced results ever produced, respecting your own hair and scalp fully. A simple step for any individual. You'll see and feel virtually nothing. Plus, if you desire, this concept can also enhance your hair in the most subtle way that it will be virtually impossible for anyone to notice anything different about you. This InvisaBlend concept is so highly advanced and helpful, people from all over the United States and also different parts of the world have requested this concept. Contact us whether you are a person in need of fuller hair or a professional wanting to help people in need.